I'm looking to sell the market over here. So let me see if I'll be filled. So let me see. There is this fair value gap over here. If this high is broken, I'll just cancel the trade because that will be an invalidation. So this is the high I don't want to be broken, but we'll see. Let's see. Yes, it has been broken from that end. From this end, it is still respected. Let me see what the ES is doing. So the ES is lagging below it. But our fair value gap has been disrespected. So I've cancelled the. Okay, it was already. My stop loss was already hit, but I've cancelled the loss before. So I'll just do an analysis and see what's popping. Or I was on the wrong side of the market. That will be my. So if the 1 hour closes. So if the 1 hour closes above these London highs. So if the 1 hour closes above these London highs, then I will know that I was on the wrong side of the market. And generally my my analysis was incorrect. So I traded and I was on the wrong side of the market and I had my bias wrong. So far the market is proving that to be a bullish day, but I was looking forward to a bearish day, in that when the market, when I was doing the analysis, this is the 8 hour 8 a.m. candle. So when I entered into the market, the 1 hour had closed bearish, and I was looking for some form of continuation to this sell side liquidity and probably the weekly low. So we can see here generally the high time frame. So this is my analysis. Generally, the high time frame is in a bearish structure, and zooming into today, into market open, price had just broken below this sell side liquidity, printing a bearish confirmation, meaning lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So I was looking for some continuation, but price is not having it today. Price ain't having it today. So it was a good call. It was a good call because I was my bias for the day was here. I am looking for sales following trading protocol. So my trading protocol is first trading protocol liquidity sweep. We had a high time frame, high time frame buy side liquidity had been swept, and now I was looking for some form. The second protocol is break of structure to the downside, so I was looking for some form of change in delivery to the downside, and 1 minute had given me that. How so? 1 minute had given me that in the sense that we had a higher high after the high time frame buy side liquidity was broken. Price printed a higher low, lower high, lower low, and we had this imbalance here where I put my sell limit order, my stop loss just above the first candle to begin the sequence when this fair value gap was formed, and I was looking to aim for this 5 minute by sell liquidity. So I was looking for a simple 1:2.5. So if I could have been correct, it could have been an easy day. But I will just do an analysis and see what's popping. So as at now, my analysis is that I lost the trade because of incorrect bias for the day. Incorrect bias for the day. So the 1 hour is coming to a closure and it's closing above. It's closing above our London and Asian highs, which is an indication that price wants to go higher because we have this supporting higher lows that price is maintaining. Initially, price had maintained these lower highs. So initially, price had maintained these lower highs, and I was looking to go lower. In that, coming into the market open, price had swept this high time frame buy side liquidity, and we had this shift to the change in state on the break of structure to the downside and 1 hour closure below the London lows. That's why I was looking for some form of either or market to come. There was some 5 minute buy side liquidity over here, sweep them while retracing London lows, go lower, or if it wanted to be nasty like it is, come take all this high time frame buy side liquidity and proceed lower. So the market just closed above and I was wrong. So here is my analysis says 1 hour closure above London high invalidates sales, but I had already taken some sales after this high time frame buy side liquidity was swept. So yeah, we'll come again tomorrow and try again. It was a good one. I'm still learning. So the only thing remaining in my armor is establishing. The only thing remaining in my armor is establishing how to determine the daily bias, how to know where the market is going. That's the only thing remain. That's the only thing that be fucking my trades up. So adios, niggas. Adios. See you soon. Not soon. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow.